open up new avenues to test therapeutics, replace some animal studies, and hopefully speed up finding treatments for diseases of the brain. It might also give us new ways to fine-tune personalized medicine, because you can grow neurons from someone's own cells. You can see exactly how that specific individual's neurons respond to a certain drug. Another angle is robotic intelligence. Essentially, you could wire a neural network like the CL1 into a robot and have the robot learn in more human-like ways. Instead of just feeding it zillions of lines of code or letting it chew on huge data sets, the robot's brain might figure things out with more flexibility and energy efficiency, kind of like how humans do. And about that energy efficiency, keep in mind that large language models like ChatGPT run on massive arrays of GPUs or specialized silicon, which can burn through a lot of power. SBI technology, on the other hand, is using living neurons, which are extremely energy efficient. Think about how your own brain uses around 20 watts to keep you up and running. It's a fraction of what a big data center might use for an equivalent level of machine intelligence, though equivalent is obviously tricky to define. Cortical Labs claims that a single CL1 rack only uses a bit less than 1 kilowatt, which is like running a small microwave. Now, you might be wondering, is this system conscious? Does it feel anything? According to Cortical Labs, we're not dealing with anything that's aware of its existence. It's more of a specialized computing substrate where the neurons are grown in a carefully controlled environment that's specifically designed to harness their computational power. Ethically, of course, there are a lot of questions. Cortical Labs has said that they're following regulations from health agencies, bioethics committees, and government organizations. And they're open about the debate, especially around using human brain cells. But they argue that these are induced pluripotent stem cells, meaning they can become just about any cell type, and they're not forming full brains with consciousness. Instead, they're partial networks that happen to be fantastic at learning tasks.